se mira. Unas van super cargadas y otras son 4x4, por ahí se miran pasar. Pura adrenalina fija y son puros chavalones, pero de su barra dicen que los va a quedar.
Meet you, man. Gio from Drippin Wet.
Mike, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice truck. Can you tell me more about that truck?
It's a 2000 S10, twin turbo,
Nice.
LSX, E85, street truck. It's got full interior. We run a lot of true street stuff all over the world, or all over the U.S. In the true street classes.
Nice. How much horsepower is under the hood?
Somewhere around 1,500, I'd say.
1,500?
Yeah.
Can't wait to see you on the track. Good luck.
Man. Thank
Good
you
luck.
very much.
Thank you. How you doing, man? It's Gio from Drippin Wet. Nice to meet you. Nice truck, man. Can you tell me a little bit more about the truck?
Yeah, the truck's a 72 C10. It's all stock most of the way. As far as the suspension goes, it's got a 572 in it. Turbo 400. It's pretty rowdy.
How much horsepower is this on the
It's probably like, I would say realistically, about 850.
850?
Yeah.
What class is she running today?
I'll be running the 650 index class as well as the small tire.
Can't wait to see it out there. Good luck, man. Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you, man. This is Gio from Drippin Wet. Can you tell us more about this nice truck? I seen it rolling down. We had to get it on this video.
Yeah, it's a 6.4, single turbo, all steel still, full interior except for like a seat in the center console, but it's ready to run.
How much horsepower is this thing burning?
Built it to be around 1,000 horse on fuel, so I think it's around there more or less with the time and the weight. With the ET, it says it's about 1,050 maybe on fuel.
Nice. What suspension are you running on this truck?
It's just a 4-link, Proform 4-link with lowered coils and Fox shocks. Just simple.
Nice. We'll get some video footage. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Thank you. Nice to meet you, man. This is Gio from Drippin Wet. Nice truck. Can you talk a little bit about your truck? What you got under the hood?
Well, I got a D&J Enforcer 6.7 deck plate Cummins. And it's got a GT 55 88 millimeter, a little bit of nitrous, 47 RE transmission built by Suncoast.
How much horsepower we're talking?
I don't know, 15-ish.
15-ish?
Yeah, somewhere around
Can't
there.
wait to see you on the track.
right,
Good luck, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Nice to meet you. Nice truck. Can you tell me more about this truck?
Typical little 98 S10. I put the Sonoma front end on it just because I like it better. LS3 based motor, Power Glide, turbo, basic simple stuff. Small little 80 millimeter turbo. Street truck, still drive it to work about 2 days a week. And it runs all right. So all steel, all glass, everything.
What class are we going to see it run today?
Unfortunately, because I have a small truck, I'm in outlaw class. So I got to run with the big dogs, but it is what it is. I'm going to have fun with it. So, I'm out here just enjoying it. I'm out here every Friday night, busting off. So, it is what it is. See what I stack up to compare to the big dogs.
Awesome. Can't wait to see it on the trucks, man. Good luck. Good luck. Hey, man, it's Gio from Drippin Wet. Nice to meet you. Nice truck. Can you tell me a little bit more about this beautiful truck?
It ain't that beautiful, man. She's old now, but it's just a little 6.0. Iron block, truck motor, nitrous.
What class is she running today?
Not running class, just testing.
Just testing?
Yeah,
Awesome.
yeah.
How much horsepower is under the hood?
Man. Right now, with a shot of nitrous, probably about 600.
600? Can't wait to see it out there in the tracks. Good luck. Man, it's Gio from Drippin Wet. How are you doing? Nice truck.
Thank you.
Nice truck. Can you tell us more about this truck? What class is she running today?
I'm just doing test and tune, see how fast she goes. It's a 5.3 LS turbo. Got to see how fast it goes.
How much horsepower under the hood?
Maybe 400 or 500 horsepower.
400 or 500. I can't wait to see it on the track.
Lanes. 2, test and tune, come up. Test and tune. Come on up to the staging lanes, test and tune. Going to be David Lamb on the right side. We got the PRT Performance Chevy pickup on the left side.